Manta kasngi kakat Sautrik Naiwing RJR Persau ka Xavier Secondary School Jersey Nong Thamai kala rakhe ya ka snem jing ya lekmen ki khna kabla tip kum ka Children's Day but kila rakhe ru ya ka farewell na manta ki khna class 10 but kum juru ka Parents Day but hakane kasngi kila ay ki jing shat ba ki jing roi da ki khna school but kila samru ki khusnam shaki khna ki bashim banta ha ka jing ya lekai ba pher hakane kasngi la wan bandon rengkat da uba Rocky Marwing kum ukongsan rengkat uba Arnold Singli kum usumbut kongsan ka kong Margaret Jerwa headmistress jong ka Xavier Secondary School Jersey Nong Thamai rengkat ki kmi ki kpa lembat ki khna school
bat khamtam nadat rajing somu hakaba ki nong hikai ki bai limba ikong Margaret Sharap Margaret Jerwa ibala khot ibala phone yana ba Rocky ni rengkam ban ya tendu ya pi dena khem tentan bang la ong ni bangan wan mi sa school ke jompi tani di kesin ke balai bang lawan sen ke school kesin ke menengkong ke di kesni ha ke ba house name another apply ke di teachers day celebration kesin ke ba ki bangi kendu bat kinong hikai hapo staff room gilayo banyak keren banyak piu jimut bat khamtam ya ke jingdan kam jong ke school na khem tentang ya ke jingterpat ke jongki hai bor ibarat kani ka podium PE kalong kumni kani kamde ka ba ai tango ba Rocky hendre kani ka jingku gudo chong play balingba jong u la persat mensin barla ai na ka bor kabul bangan perulong ya ke jing angdon jong kani ka school kani ka kasni ka ba kerpang ba irakhe ya ka kasni hakaba ila kasni jo kina bagi tip kong kata Children's Day bagi kwa banong hangni bagi don ka kintin ka baong a good education can change anyone but a good teacher can change everything kababot kajing hikai kalabha kala banpen kala yino Henry kajing hikai kap kinong hikai kibabha kila banpen kala hati mo binu kibenta tidak nama tak ada kajing syungkya kajing no senyang jong kinong hikai kada ka komitmen ka bakidon ka penlong ya ki kmi kipa ban shania ban pai kun di jompi hakani ka school Xavier be ki chongi ban habangawan ban rakhe ban pet ya ka jipen khe jompi ban habangai ya ki performance ki baki kna ki perform bat ki i rasak ka jompi nai i bakat no kani ka school kadon kada jinkerman bat kumbalan ka school kala syakri ya kani ka dong ba ike chongi nangit bahagi sini banangwan nila bangyo shibun ya ikena bat ya tau sok bangin sapsay na kani ka school chongi kanong ba ike kiro kaba kung kikmi kikpa kidan kebenta kaba kerpang bagong mga ong ya rajin syania ka jongpi ya kani ka school namar kampun sinhi ba kikun ki jongi ki kampanot ya kapor ka jongi haki school kesni ke bubun ka jongi kun ki jongi bubun ki kenta kide hapo school but hadin bagi kun kilami na kiging ki jongi kide ki nongi ka ki bai ki basyem ya benta jongi kini ki pa lara kamdon kata ka bonding lara kamdon kata ka jingshania hapeng ki kini ki pa bat ki nongi ka lada kambang ka nung ka jingi trilang hapeng kikmi pa bat kinong hikai nginam la ban penong ya kata ka good institution nginam la ban penong ya kata ka syam jihikai ka babha lada ngini tri rengkat bat ka jingno senyang jong kinong hikai ka jingshanya jong kimi kipa ka penong ya ka school baka nang kiu irat syapram bat ngakermen ba ka jingi trilang barabor karena melanrak Yosua jom jinjok dengan nabisim ni kapor kinong keren giblakan syakmat kila keren suntunat Nadu Miss Mitchell, ibalabatai shpanga jino senyang jongga Bharti Foundation, ni iya dengan library balaga pli naga jino senyang jongki nangba lada ngambakla lamba CSR project kejongki. Bat ngalayo snow ya jingkren jonggo bun syakma, kinong kren kilat kren sebetulnya. Kamtang jingkren jengkong civilian pli, ibalaong bangamda nang ban kren. Mereka jingkren kejongki, kalau kelum lampar rokhat. Bat kali kecingkren maksudnya, nak kau syafran kong, ginang kam ye pi, wala de pila syong thai noru nak kam sorkar kejong pi kumtai retired officer, jong ka bank, henry, kecingkren kejong pi ka aiman sim, bat ninget kikmi dipa, kinpiang ya kecingkren jong ikong. Iswa mangan.
Our school, and we mainly focus on 4 pillars, and that is the student engagement, teachers engagement, parents and community involvement, and also the school environment. So that's a brief about the place I work or about the Bharti Foundation. So today it's a very special day as we celebrate the inauguration program of the new library and also the podium, as well as we are celebrating our Children's Day. So the library and the podium. This library, I'm sure, it will provide a great place or a wonderful place for our students so that they can learn, explore, grow. While the podium is a place where the students, they can showcase their talent as they are doing it now. They can showcase their talent and also speak confidently as well as learn or develop different kind of skills. So today on this special occasion of Children's Day, I encourage each of you to encourage you to provide or to what to say